How to reset Windows 11 without losing data. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Over here you're gonna find different options. Here towards the option of Update and Security, open it. Now at the left corner you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of Recovery, open it. Once you land to the recovery page, navigate to the option of Reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. Now click on the option of Get Started. Choose an option, Keep My Files, Remove Everything. Go ahead and select the option of Keep My Files. It removes apps and settings but keeps your personal data. Once you select this option, your all data will be secured. Now how do you like to reinstall Windows, cloud download or local reinstall? Go ahead and select the option that best suits you and then follow the on-screen instructions to continue with the process to reset your Windows. Well, this way you can easily reset Windows 11 without losing data. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.